This is Hyundai Elantra 2022. I'm going to make this spare key. This new one I'm going to make it. This is original one. So I'm going to make it using the X300DB plus. I'm going to read the pin code plus I'm going to make a touch smart key. So let's see how to doing this using X300DB plus. Read pin code. So it's take time like 1 minute. It's going to be read the pin code. So pin code is read it. Just took the one picture to remember that. Okay. Now we are going to make it a smart key. Well, Hyundai. Can go to the Australia. I think Elantra. No, can go to the America directly. Elantra GT 2021 and up. Enter approximately. Program a smart keys. So this one is going to be erase all keys. It will be make it like a new again, like all key lost. I keep the switch ignition is on, display is off. Okay, press start button. Why your brother? Okay, so we are going to this will be erase all keys. Press enter. Switch ignition off. Switch ignition is off already. Open and close the driver doors once. Okay, now put the pin code 783866. Press enter. Okay. So first press the smart key into the start button and wait for the 5 seconds. Okay. So I'm going to program it now. All keys lost. beginning I try with the cover, is not success, so I remove the cover now. Okay, switch ignition off, open the door and close driver door, press OK. Code is already there because I put it already. Okay, press enter and press the remote here. Success. Press enter and press here. Success. If you want more, press enter. If no, press no. So now this toolkit is there, and halas, that's it. And I will put the cover, then I will show you again the remote is working, everything, car is starting. So now I fix it everything. Check the remote, old one, new one. Okay, and try to start the car. It's fine. So this is Elantra 2022. It's only the beginning, little bit take time to program for me too, because I'm trying with the cover. It's not taking, so I remove the buttons, cover, and get it by the board. Is success. 2022, I read the pin code and program all keys lost. Actually it's spare, but program is like all keys lost. Thank you guys.